Running Facebook ads but not sure if they're working? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to track conversions step-by-step inside Facebook Ads Manager, so you know what's making you money. First, you need to install something called the Meta Pixel on your website. Here's how. Go to Events Manager inside Facebook Business. Click Connect Data Sources. Choose Web, then click Meta Pixel. Name your pixel, enter your website URL, and click Continue. Choose Install Code manually, then copy the pixel code. Paste it into the header of your website, just above the head tag. If you're using Shopify, WordPress, or Wix, they have easy integration options. Just search Metapixel in their settings. Now let's tell Facebook what to track. In Events Manager, go to Aggregated Events Measurement or Custom Conversions. You can choose events like purchase, add to cart, lead, etc. If you want to track a specific page, like a thank you page, click Create Custom Conversion. Set the rule to trigger when someone lands on that URL. For example, thank you. Now, Facebook knows that every visit to that page means a conversion. Use the Metapixel Helper Chrome extension to test if your event is firing. Go to your website and perform the action, like submitting a form. If everything's set up correctly, the Pixel Helper will show your event being triggered. Now that your pixel and events are working, go to Facebook Ads Manager. Choose the ad campaign you want to track. Click Columns, then Customize Columns. Search for your event, like purchases or leads, and check the box. Save this column view to use every time. Now you'll see exactly how many conversions each ad is getting. That's how you track conversions in Facebook Ads Manager. No more guessing, now you've got real data. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more no-fluff tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, I've got your back.